Hi, my name is Mr. Harjo, and I teach in the Health and Physical Education Department here at Hood River Valley High School. I'd like to talk to you about some course offerings for our department and what teachers teach those. We'll go ahead and start with athletic development, and Mr. Dial teaches athletic development, as well as Mr. Sperry. Athletic development is primarily lifting weights, but also features dynamic warm-ups, other fitness components like flexibility, speed, power, and is a semester-long course. There's also a zero-period athletic development, so Mr. Dial teaches that, and that's from 7:15 to 8 a.m. So that's available for usually sophomores through seniors, but freshmen are also encouraged to take athletic development if they feel like they can handle it. Other course offerings in PE or physical education would be personal fitness or advanced PE, and that's primarily Miss Ariel Deal that teaches that. She's our new PE teacher for this year. Personal fitness is more geared for just improving your overall level of fitness and less oriented towards team sports. Advanced PE would be building on the team sports concepts that you had your freshman year with Mr. Sperry. And then other PE opportunities, we're trying to add in a unified sports partnership with the unified sports class that Mr. Hildebrandt teaches. We'll be recruiting for that, and hopefully that's an opportunity for everybody. And then in the health department, there's advanced health that Ms. Euler teaches. That's a semester-long course that just builds on the concepts that I worked on in freshman health. And let's be honest, like Ms. Euler's like a lot better at teaching health than I am, so you should probably take that class. And then the classes that I teach sports medicine. So we have like a intro to sports medicine that'll be offered next year, and that's your basics of athletic training and learning just basic taping skills, basic injury prevention and injury management. And I'm also adding a second sports medicine class, like an advanced sports medicine, next year. That's going to be like a little higher level in terms of more terminology, kinesiology taping, and things of that nature. And Miss Deal and I both teach freshman health. So if you're looking for a freshman health class, you probably don't go to school here right now. You're probably in one of the middle schools. So anyhow, if you have any questions, stop by and see one of us, Miss Deal, Mr. Harjo, Miss Euler, Mr. Sperry, or Mr. Dial. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Moreno.
I'm Grace Garten.
And I'm AILEEN Castro. And we're here to tell you about the computer science elective offerings for next year. Computer science is not just about programming. It includes how data is captured and used, how technology controls your life experience, how technology influences society, and how to create new technology instead of consuming others' creations.
Understanding how computer science works is the new superpower needed to help change the world. I bet you didn't know there are 3 computer science classes being offered at HRV next year. There are introductory classes called Exploring Computer Science. Once you have the basics, you can take AP Computer Science Principles, and finally, AP Computer Science A, which primarily focuses on learning the programming language Java.
If you'd like to learn more, come to our table in the Commons at lunch or ask Ms. Foley. She's in K5 on A days and CO8 on B days. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Wendy Herman, and I work in the Summit Career Center, and I teach internship, cooperative work experience, Leaders for Tomorrow, and student firefighters. Internship and cooperative work experience are classes that you can complete your EA through. Internship is to go learn about a business that you might want to pursue. Cooperative work experience is where you get credit for working, so it's a 0th, 9th, or 10th period. Leaders for Tomorrow is something that you start your junior year, and you have to complete it your junior and senior year in order to get credit. And student firefighters is also a 0th, 9th, or 10th period, and you have to have your driver's license, and you have to belong to one of the departments here in the Valley. You cannot get your EA through student firefighters or Leaders for Tomorrow. So anyway, and those are for 11th and 12th grade students only. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nelson VANCOTT, a robotics student subbing in for Blackman. I'm going to tell you about Robotics 1 and Fab Lab. In Robotics 1, you'll spend the whole year making a robot working with a team. In Fab Lab, you'll spend the year designing and creating your own personal projects using 3D printers and laser cutters. You should come talk to Blackman in the Commons to learn more about these two cool classes.